going?
The musician's piano! Woohoo!
The magician's piano.
Give me a
Well, maybe it was that thing you saw that way.
Honey, what'd you catch today?
Well, this guy's is called a slipper lobster.
Oi!
We still got some spunk left in
He's
him.
feisty.
Yeah. I took him off yesterday, but he's gonna be good eating here in a minute. Good eating.
Oh.
Hello. Yeah, sorry.
There he is.
All cleaned up. All you gotta do is it's super easy.
Barely an inconvenience.
Barely an inconvenience. There he is, reduced to his meat.
Lobster.
And all that goodness into the pot.
Mmm, smells delicious. Oh my goodness, this smells amazing.
Oh, what is that? Is that big chunks of lobster?
Lobster.
In my chowder? Oh, it's chowder! Jeff, it's a real wicked pissa. You wish you could have this chowder.
We wish you were here, Jeff, eating it with us.
Eat this chowder. So some of the best tasting water that we found in the Bahamas is free, and it's here in Georgetown, just behind this little government building, right next to the municipal dock. And you just come up here, and sometimes they have a hose, sometimes they don't, but it's just a little go in here, and this is better than most of the water that we paid for. So.
Oh, we have heard that a local makes fresh bread here, so we are on the hunt to find her. The shipment boat is here. Woohoo!
Ribs for me.
Lobster sandwich.
Oh, Carrie's got the lobster sandwich. Whoa. Sacrifice for you.
Hi guys, welcome to Lorraine's Cafe. I hope you enjoy your dinner. I'm Ralph, the killer bartender of Lorraine's Cafe.
Lorraine's Cafe, the cook at Lorraine's Cafe.